Hi, this is Dan Broad with Brantford again. In a previous demonstration, I showed you how some of the new self-provisioning features in Endeca Studio enable your organization's end users their own discovery application, leveraging all the valuable data tied up in your organization's OBI instance. What happens when those end users discover new ways to analyze the business through their self-provisioned data mashups? The good news is that in version 3.1 of the Oracle Endeca Information Discovery product, easy way for IT to tap your OBI investment, again, allowing them to jumpstart the development of what will be these IT provisioned applications. To demonstrate this, I again have my OBI VM running 11.117, as well as my 3.1 install of Oracle Information Discovery. As a data developer from Integrator with version 3.1, I actually have a wizard, which is actually going to walk me through the way that I need to set up my project to properly connect to my OBI server. So using this wizard, I'm quickly going to enter a couple inputs to define some project parameters, and in no time I'll be ingesting data from OBI into my Endeca server. So continuing on with that subject area around airline traffic, I'm going to pull in information about those carriers. So it's first going to prompt me, tell me where my Endeca server is hosted, server name and port, and I can create an arbitrary name for that, what will be my newly created data domain, as well as a collection, or a key for my collection. And similarly, the location of my OBI server. So in this case, it's the IP and port of my VM. With the default password. Now, once I connect it to OBI, again, it's going to offer me all the areas it's found within the OBI repository. In our case, again, we're interested in airline traffic. I can quickly ask it to go and find a normalized slice of the attributes tied to those logical tables I found within my airline subject area. So after clicking finish, I can see that the project wizard has created a complete integrator project. I can begin moving data immediately out of my OBI investment into the Endeca server for an IT provision discovery application. And what's great about the way the wizard set up the project is it does so very much so in a practices way, where I have kind of the usual suspects in terms of subdirectories and graphs within my graph subdirectory. Additionally, it is the ABC OBI connection, which you can see here in text form for me. So really no heavy lifting to do here to tap into my OBI server. And then similarly, it set up my workspace PRM file with many of the expected integrator variables to execute my ingest. Now, the one change I do need to make here is because I have not installed my Endeca server to be SSL enabled, I just need to enable SSL and my protocol from HTTPS to HTTP. But other than that, a quick save and I'm ready to actually run my baseline. And once my baseline is complete and completed successfully, all that's left to be done is a little bit of setup in Studio, and in no time I'll be actually able to start proposing the front end of my IT provisioned application. So what remains here is from the control panel under the Endeca servers menu, I actually need to create a way to connect to my new data domain. Here I'm going to create a carrier connection. ID and name be the same. Local, my Endeca server is located at localhost 7001, and my data domain is carrier. I validate that, I can save it. And now it's just a matter of creating a new application and using that connection that I created. And voila, I have my discovery application as IT provision. Thank you for your time.